Hello, I am Padmavati. I have authored a few books on pattern making, of which two are available in the market. Today I am making a pattern of a sheath dress. This is a picture of sheath dress that I have taken into consideration for making the pattern today. There are certain tools required for this class. They are a measuring tape, a 24-inch scale, a 12-inch scale, a French curve, black marker, red marker, pencil, eraser and scissors. You would also like to have sellotape that you can use to stick your paper to the table before you start making the pattern. I would suggest you to use a pencil to make the pattern. Then later on you can darken the lines with the marker pens. I am using the standard measurement for size 10 to make this sheath dress. If you cannot keep up with the pace, I would suggest you to pause the video whenever required. So for starting, I am making this pattern on a half scale, which means that my pattern would be half the actual size. So to start with, first is the required length. 0 to 1 is 100 centimeters. Draw the line, 100 centimeters, mark 0, 1. 0 to 2 is 1/4 round bust minus 4 centimeters. This is required for armhole depth. I'll place the scale here to serve the purpose of a L scale. 2 to 3 is perpendicular to 0 to 1. Line 2 to 3 is equal to 1/4 round bust plus 2 centimeter ease. Here it is 24 centimeters. Then is 0 to 4 is the waist level that is given. Mark the point 4. 4 to 5 is 1/4 round waist plus 3 centimeter dart width plus 1 centimeter ease. Which is 21 centimeter, marked as 5. 4 to 6 is 21 centimeter, that is hip level, again a given measurement. 6 to 7 is 1/4 round hips plus 2 centimeter ease, so that comes to 25.5 centimeters. 0.7. Now 1 to 8 for the hemline. hemline 1 to 8 is hip line minus 2 centimeters. That gives 23.5 centimeters. Mark as 8. Now join the lines 3, 5, 5, 7, 7 and 8. Now for the shoulder and upper section of the block. 0 to 9 is half across shoulder, that is 18 centimeters. Draw a perpendicular downwards from point 9 to line 2 to 3 and mark as 10. Now we mark the neckline. 0 to 11 is 1/12 round bust, that is 7.2 centimeters approximately. 11 to 12 is 1.5 centimeter perpendicular to line 0 to 9, mark as 12. Now take the French curve and join the line 12 to 0 in a smooth curve. Now 9 to 13 is 0.5 centimeter, which gives a total of 2 centimeter shoulder drop. Join 12 to 13 in a straight line for the shoulder line. Now for armhole, mark the midpoint of line 13 to 10. Mark the point as 14. Use the French curve to join the points 3, 14 and 3 in a smooth curve. This gives the armhole. Now for the waistline dart. Take the midpoint of line 2 to 10. Mark it as N. Drop a vertical line downwards from point 10 to line 6 to 7. Mark as N1 on line 4 to 5 and N2 on line 6 to 7. Take 1.5 centimeter on either side of point N1. Mark as S, S1. Now join N to S, N1 to S, join S to N2, join N S2 to N2 in straight line. Now mark the back slit. Take 3 inches from point 1 and mark as, or take 6 inches from point 1 upwards on line 0 to 1, mark as 15. Now this is back slit. Now for the fly, as this is a fitting garment, so we would like to incorporate a fly or a zip in the back section, which would be from hip line. So mark this section for fly. Cut 2 pieces. This is the back. Now mark the grain line.